On the home page, click on Quick Actions, and then click on Animate from Audio. And then click on Make Your Animation. Choose a character. I chose Finley. Choose a background. I chose a hot dog stand. Choose a size of your final video. I chose landscape. Click on the character and I pulled them over here like this because I want to show the hot dog stand. And then get your acting chops up and press the record button. Alien hot dogs. Get your alien hot dogs here. Hey you! You look like you need a dog. You hungry? It's lunchtime. And then press done. And then you gotta wait. The wait time was only 30 seconds. I'm impressed. So in order for this to play, you gotta press the space bar. If you wanna edit down the video, I'll bring the slider over until I see the mouth open on the alien and bring it to the left of that. So it starts right there. And then on the right side, I'll bring it to the left until I see him finish talking, and then press download. Let's watch. Alien hot dogs. Get your alien hot dogs here. Hey you! You look like you need a dog. You hungry? It's lunchtime.